Look up in the camera, talk like you did in your other video. Hold you to the chest, report card. On what? Every report card, right? Yes, sir. F on every report card. We done gave you amount of chances. He done had opportunities to get help, got internet at the house, and he still turn around. Turn around, Tay. Do a spin, 360 spin. Come on. Come on. That's how he going to school today since they want to show out. Put your report card up, John. I don't care about you being mad now. You want to get mad and act a fool, I can act one with you. Let me see your report card. He ain't got no good grades, a B, a S. No good grades, N's, U's, F's. This is why his haircut like this. Come on, turn around. Turn around. Turn around. This what thugs do. You want to be a thug? Huh? You want to get in trouble? It's everybody else's fault why you get in trouble at school, right? Okay. Do good. Next report card.
This video right here, man, is abuse for me. I know other people may think otherwise. May think things like this is okay. I definitely don't. You could look in his face and see the pain from being embarrassed, haircut, crazy. You can see the pain, man. What I would say is we got to find better ways to discipline our kids. And certain things doesn't always require discipline. Sometimes it requires understanding. Like understanding why they're not doing great at school. Understanding what they have to deal with at school. And we should know because we've been through it before. We've been through school. We've been through how people treat you, how people act towards you. We've been through things like this. And for me, I never really liked school. I only went and made sure I graduated for my parents. So all that time going to school and making these good grades and things like that, I only did that for the approval of another rather than approval of myself. This is one of the things that takes us away from ourselves, especially with going to school, because they're teaching you to live to be in a part of the matrix. They're teaching you to conform to their system. And nothing that I learned in school helps me out today, except for math. That's about the only thing. Maybe gym, weightlifting class to help me get a love for working out, for understanding how it made me feel mentally, how it made my body look. And I was appreciative of that. At the same time, man, this is embarrassing. It's embarrassing. And kids shouldn't have to go through stuff like this. The parents should be the ones that love them. These schools take away the imagination of us, or the imagination from us, when in our imagination is where our power lies. Our imagination is where our power lies. So once we going through this life, we go into these schools and jobs and things like that, take away from that imaginary side. Us thinking of things that we would love and manifesting those things. Instead, we're locked up in a constant worry. And that's the same thing we do to our kids by making them feel like, or you have to have these type of grades, or you, like, instead of being understanding and being like, well, you know, what is it that I can do to help you out? Is it the school that's bothering you? Are you not able to focus? Do you like school? Would you prefer homeschool? Would you prefer me to be your teacher? These are the things that we don't think about. It's teachers that will not treat your child as if they was theirs. Principals, other teachers, other students. Imagine the hate we had to deal with growing up. And imagine your child going through that. And then you cutting their hair in that type of manner and putting them on video for the whole world to see. We should do some better parenting. We should definitely do some better parenting, because all this is going to do is lead them down the wrong way. Say he go to school when he got the haircut. Kids gonna be laughing at him, bullying them, what they are probably already deal with. Now he's getting hurt and more hurt. And he probably feel like, oh, I'm probably gonna fight, or because most of us are not taught how to handle our emotions or to understand how to pretty much understand why certain things are done to us. And it mostly be because of hate. And hate is really just a person loving something about you that they feel that they lack. So it creates envy and jealousy. I would never do this to my son, just because I know I'm not trying to be the person that hurts him. Just like us men and everybody in the world, man, we all deal with pains of our past, of things we're going through now. Kids do as well. And how we feel we need a break, and we need to be loved, and we need to be talked to in a respectful manner, they deserve that as well. All right, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Leave comments, subscribe, share. If you guys think I'm on to something, let me know. If you think I'm talking on my ass, let me know. I appreciate all type of feedback, because I don't have all the information. I just speak from my soul, man. So y'all leave comments. Let me know what y'all feel.